Yo, what is going on, guys? Hess here, CollectiveKicks.com. If you guys want to shop this week's top sneaker deals, check the link in the description. If you guys want to buy any of the products to do this custom that I'm going to be showing you guys in this video, you guys can also check the link in the description. Today's video, I'm going to go ahead and do an ice dye to a pair of these Chuck Taylors in all white canvas and see what becomes of them, as well as a couple other t-shirts. I have a Nike t-shirt, just a regular Nike logo t-shirt, a little kid's Nike shirt for my boy, and then another random shirt. This is a Nike dry fit shirt, different type of material, but I wanted to give it a try and see what it would do. And then the big ticket item that I have that I'm excited, next to the shoes actually, is this Champion hoodie. It's an all white Champion hoodie with like a dark navy or black Champion logo across the chest. So I'm gonna do the ice dye technique to all of these. And for those that don't know what the ice dye technique is, it made this hoodie that I made a while ago, and you could see that it has a bunch of crazy vibrant colors all over it. It sticks really well, and it's permanent, and it looks kind of cool. But this one I didn't really love because of the pink after effect on it. It's not that bad, but honestly I just wanted more vibrant colors, and also I mixed too many colors into one. So this time I'm going to do a little bit more controlled. I mean, I kind of like the way that this looks right here, but I wanted to do another experiment. So this was my first attempt. I still wear this hoodie a lot. I really like the results, but I want to do some other colors, and so I'm going to do that on the Champion hoodie. I also do have another one of these that I will be doing in the future, but today's video I wanted to just go ahead and take care of some of these things over here and give it a try. So first things first, you can see that this is the powdered dye that I used the first time. It is a cold water dye, and this is something that I bought off of Amazon that gave me a nice bunch of variety colors. I used this other website this time though, just to get a bunch of different colors, just to see how they were. So I'm gonna do a little bit of mix of all of them, but a bunch of colors here, bunch of colors here, and that is the second step. The very first step though, you actually have to use something called soda ash, which is something I bought off of Amazon, super easy to get. And I actually need to soak all of the stuff in soda ash for 20 minutes first before I go ahead and apply the dye. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and then we'll get to the next steps. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and pull these out, put them in the sink, and kind of rinse all these out the best I can. Lots and lots of stuff in here. Alright, so now that I have my rubber bands on my materials, I'm going to have to figure out how to make this Jimmy rig work. I don't have enough wire racks or space, so I'm going to try to make this work. But one thing that I saw that is a tip from other videos online was to surround the item with cardboard, so the ice kind of melts into the item instead of outside of it, which is something that I had a problem with last time. So I'm going to try to do cardboard around here, and then also around these shirts right here, and then we'll see how it looks. It's cardboard in place, and time to apply the ice and then the dye. Alright, so here is an updated look. Ice is melting pretty well. And here's a look at the shoes. The bottom. Looks like a lot of color down there is all black, but it's really, really hard to tell. More melted craziness up here. And little Harrison's shirt right here. Be interesting to see how this comes out. I have no idea what it's going to look like, which is always the fun part about doing this. Alright, so next morning. My voice is crazy because I'm super sick. But you can see it turned out pretty good, I think. And then here's the hoodie over here. Kind of crazy colors. And the little dude's t-shirt with all the blues. The one that I'm not sure is how it's going to turn out is these guys right here, because they're just overly saturated in color. So hopefully they'll see some sort of difference and it won't all run together. That's what it gets for being down at the bottom though. I just didn't have space. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and try to flip these over then, and then do the other side for those that need it. Alright, so I flipped these over, and I don't think that these t-shirts actually need any adjustments. They're pretty dark all the way around, so I'm going to leave these as and call these ones good. Alright, so you can see on the other side of the hoodie, it's definitely not soaked all the way through, so I want to have a real vibrant look on this one, so I'm going to do the ice dye on this side with the same colors, and see what happens. Alright, here we go.
Perfect.
This one didn't work. Alright, so wash is done. Trying to throw these things in the dryer. Look at the results. Whoa, it's crazy. The finish on this one is different. Like you can see the materials of it's totally different, but look at that. That's crazy. Dope. Alright. One, Harrison's gonna love this little shirt. My other Nike shirt. This came out fresh. So as you guys can see, this is a finalized hoodie. Turned out pretty good in my opinion. It's kind of weird, it has a little white dots all through the hoodie, just the material that I used for this one. But $40, I got this one from Finish Line, and I like the look of it, man. This is my first one that I actually ended up doing, and it turned out pretty cool. Like, it's different. I didn't like the pink vibes to it though, but I'm happy with the results on this one though, because it has a little bit better variation of colors in my opinion. I was really trying to go with like an orange, blue, and black color, and that's kind of the look of it. So I'm gonna put this down so you can see the back of it, because the back you can see a lot more blue. That's the back. for taking just a regular hoodie and just really making it your own, making it something that nobody else has. Super easy to do. Just takes a day basically, and a washing machine. And this is the kids t-shirt. Thought this one came out pretty good too. Lots of different blues on this one. I used like 4 different blues to achieve this right here. The pattern was interesting. I don't know, it kind of looks the same on both sides, kind of seep through, but that is a look at his little shirt. But anyways, this is a shirt right here too. So I really like this shirt as well. I mean, I chose different coloring on it than the other ones. I was going with like a pewter and like a green, and like there was like a brownish sort of an earth tone to it, as you can see like up here, and a little bit of, yeah, green and stuff, tad bit of blue. Anyways, I like the look of this one also, not bad, kind of crazy, a little bit different colors to it than the other stuff, but yeah, not terrible. And then the grand finale though, those Chucks, $25 I got these for, if you guys missed that video. Cheapest shoes I could buy on Nike.com. There was a $25 off code. These were $50, all white. And I honestly had these at the very bottom of the rack, so it was just kind of a culmination of all of the different colors. So there was some like pewter and like browns and stuff like here, a little bit of orange on the back of this one and green, and then blues from the t-shirt on the back of here, and some greens and some orange as well. I think it came out pretty cool though, just definitely different. But I think I'm gonna do the same thing on my other pair as well, but I'll use that as a primary and then just try to make different color combinations on the other pair that I have as well. But this was the results, man. I'm happy with the results of the shoes, but pretty fun to be able to mix it up, create your own stuff. But I have some more custom videos coming soon and some more videos in general, so subscribe if you guys are new to my channel. Notification bell to be notified of when the videos go live. And thank you again for watching. Have a great rest of the day, guys. Peace.